Hi guys, so we are here at Bohol. So we arrived yesterday guys, but hindi kami nakapag-film masyado kasi napagod kami sa biyahe. Kasi nag-meet sila ng family niya.
Ngayon, nasa Thankyou kami.
Yes, with his mom and his two brothers, Sean and Kobe. They are inside the other room, and we are here inside Mama Soy's room kasi dito niya kami pinastay. Time check, it's already
4:40.
4:30.
4:40.
By the way guys, this is my first time staying here. And grabe, napaka-peaceful dito guys. And we're not using any electric fan or aircon. Napakaginaw pa din kahit hindi kami gumagamit ng electric fan or aircon. Since yung bahay nila, pinapalibutan ng mga plants, mga puno. Tapos, napaka-peaceful guys. Yung mga maririnig mo lang sa labas, mga birds. Di natin pala. Since myself, as a city girl, first time ko magstay ng province na ganito. Like, super duper peaceful guys. Ganda dito guys. Walang mga chismosa, walang mga marites dito.
And then guys, later we're gonna cook. Like those province videos on YouTube.
Yeah. We are gonna cook.
Mm-mm.
We?
And I'm gonna eat.
I'm going to cook breakfast for them while his mom and his brothers are still sleeping. Pero yung mga basic breakfast lang kasi hindi kami nakabili ng mga karne.
And then when we arrived here in Attica, we slept right away. Pagkatapos namin magluto, papunta kami doon sa back of the bahay para i-photo shoot ko siya.
Good morning, tita. First lang ha?
Moy ano?
Oo, gani.
Hindi mo gunahin mo. Hindi na hinupo.
Ayun lang, love, uy. Padak ka sana. Padak ka sana. Ha? Ay, kaalan, love. Lawin mo kuha daw, love. Ato nang parisag asin. Dili na pait, love. Lagi, ahat gini ko ka, baby. Bayabas.
Bayabas.
Ay, katong gamay. Kita nga ito.
Oh, daghan man ang
Sili. Ako, nagtanong ko.
Nagtanong sa na siya dito.
Nakaguba lagi ng mga pama.
Kada siya. Na tingali na.
Ay, da, love. Di, sukulab.
Humukay nila.
Kaya na. Size ka. Ang nao, dako na o.
Dara.
Dara ko pa sa anak tayo.
Matag.
Oh, tingkak-likik. Tagay, sa baba. Ini semua. Lagi lang na.
Pwede tayo.
May baki! Nangita sa chamber kasa ang baki. Ayaw ka na slide ko. Huwag ka lang, frame mo yung gago.
From river to hotel, and this is how it looks like.
Another hour.
I'm so
Sapa
hungry now.
to hotel.
So this is our room.
So guys, we just arrived at the hotel and then we put our things away. And then we're gonna go to Soy Boys and we're going to eat ginabot. I'll see you guys when we get there. Let's go. Vegan. Hey everyone, we're back at the hotel. We're gonna take a little nap and then later we're gonna go to Aluna Beach with my cousins and friends. But we're so tired, we didn't sleep enough last night, so we're gonna take a little nap and then later on, beach. Let's go.
Hi guys, so we just woke up. It's already 7 a.m. 7 p.m. No? And we are heading to Alona Beach, and this is our outfits. Kapuhas ang baby. Uy. Let's go.
Hey guys, we borrowed Poy's car.
Ikaw klaro.
Hey guys, naabot na yung Panlaw. We arrived here just now and then we're going to eat. That's just the inside. Hey guys, nasa video rin sa vegan shop. May ginabot.
Vegan shop! Vegan shop!
Vegan bowling. Veganized bowling.
Adik, magpunong ka!
Ano daw? Scam sa bukid lang. Ano? Na may flash. Asap to. Guys, kapag walang pag dito kasi walang yan, enjoy ang food. Hindi mo silang tagaan ako. Hindi mo silang tagaan ako. Mangil.
Pero ang mga chef, di ba gutom sila?
Hi guys.
Chill ka din guys, super. It's our day 3 today here in Bohol. And it's supposed to be 2 nights. But then, we forgot to
ferry.
buy tickets to Cebu.
And the ferries.
And naubos na yung ticket. Libok na lahat.
Yes.
We transferred to another hotel.
That's
A cheaper one.
A little bit affordable.
Yeah.
More affordable.
Kasi parang wala na sa budget yung stay namin dito. Naubos yung pera namin dun sa Panglao. Tapos, ayun. Pero, syempre, we prepared extra money for it naman. Syempre, you have to, every time you go to trips, guys, you have to set aside extra money in case of emergencies like this. So, yeah. So, we're heading to, we don't know where. We're looking for food. Ay. Mabilis ko, Biyoy. Model.
Nawanta guys.
Ay, Reggie. Gusto ko sa...
Kaya yung butangan mo?
Pagkanang, pari ganyan kay pariner man. English po, iman siya nga.
Wala na ko eh.
Baba, ang pinit to. Hindi na ako diri. Goodbye, Bohol, Pagbilaya. We're going home na.
I like I, yeah, yeah. Cutie, honey, suck,